Yes, digital product family. I hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to show you today how to sub niche so that you're able to get into a fantastic sub niche which is undersaturated, and so that you're able to make money. Guys, check out my videos on actually how to start a store and all of that stuff. But guys, this is really, really important. Whatever you're selling, whatever you're doing, check this out, because I want to show you now step by step exactly what you need to do to find those nuggets. So guys, as usual, before I get going with this fantastic video, if you love researching, creating, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't get share, because we're just sharers. We like to share, help each other out. That's what we do. Anyway, check it out. Look at this. Right, I've just gone onto EverBee. Check out link in my description. Pre-access. Clip art is what we're looking at. Now, look, it can be anything. You can do, this can apply to any niche that you are in. So let's just imagine it's clip art, right? It could be anything, tumblers, whatever, anything. Sub niching. The sub niching is the only way forward. Now, looking at clip art, right? If I just use clip art, you're not gonna just do clip arts, random clip arts. Now, if I go to EverBee, right? If I go to EverBee, EverBee gives me the results. Let me just show you something right quickly. The results on EverBee for clip art is 1,613,531 when you type in clip art on the search bar on Etsy, right? But I want to show you how to keep going down, right? So the next one on my list that you're sub niching now, you're going to a sub niche from clip art, is magic clip art, right? Now, magic clip art gives me a results of 34,705. Now that does fluctuate sometimes depending on what listings are coming on, what listings are coming off. But let's say at the point of doing this video, magic clip art gives me a results on Etsy of 34,000. Can you see? We've already gone down. The listings, the results gone down, right? Which is good. Now it's still a bit too much, because we still need to go further, right? So within magic, I've gone down even lower to wizard clip art. Now, anything wizard clip art related gives you 3,819. Okay, so let me just go back to EverBee. If I type in wizard clip art, wizard clip art. Okay, so we're now sub niched. Into a decent number. But now this is where the research starts, and this is what I'm saying. It's reverse engineering. It's a science. You do all of this so that you're able to see what you're able to get into. Okay, so when I type in, for example, wizard clip art, I want to just copy this very quickly because I'm going to come back to EverBee, but let me just show you something. This is how you find, I'm showing you now the nuggets, how to actually find those special ones, those look, wizard clip art, right? How many is it right now? Okay, 3,000. See, it fluctuates. It's mad. 3,818 results. Okay, that's mad. 3,800. One dropped off. It's 3,819. One dropped off because it happens sometimes. Listings taken down, whatever it is, right? Amazing. So this is your wizard. These are the listings on the wizard ones, right? Obviously, be very careful, obviously, what you're getting into and what you're creating, right? Get some tips. Obviously, don't do anything that is trademark infringement, copyright infringement. Stay away from anything like that, or you will be taken down. Make sure your designs are original and they're yours. Okay, so let's say these are all different bundles, and remember, bundles also help your listing get seen. It's also something that is a good keyword to use. So look, this is the wizard, but I'm going to go further. I'm going to go deeper, right? This is just wizard clip art. So I'm going to go down even more because I want to sub niche further. So then I'm going to go into potion clip art, right? Potion clip art. And this is what I'm trying to say. This is when you actually can see what is happening with your results. You're actually going even further. Actually, that's got bundles. So now I'm going a little bit. The results are less, 2,661, right? And you can see a lot of these are potion related clip arts. People get into all sorts, potion clip arts, guys. Okay. Now, even from there, there are angles to get into, which is, so if you go into the, let's say, into the wizard niche or the magic niche, right? From the magic niche, you can go into potions. You can go into spell book, right? Let's say spell. Can we say spell book for wizards? Or a magic book? Spell book, right? So spell book would go even further down. It has 740 results. But look, people are trying to get into it. Magic books. I think they call it magic books. Spell books or magic books. Yeah. Again, look, people getting into that. But look at the results. Look what's happened to the results. The results have gone down even further, right? To 740 results, which is fabulous, right? And then you can go even further. Wand, magic wand, right? In that niche, there are areas that you can still look. 1051 results. Magic wand. All these are magic wands, right? And then you can get more ideas. There are gems that you can see. Look, gems bundles, right? So look at these gems, beautiful gems. This is what I'm saying, guys. So coming back to this, you can see how it goes down and how even the results go down the more you've niched down within certain areas. And this is the key to this, guys. You know, you might go with an overarching, you might go with a wizard clipper, and within the wizard clipper, you might have potions, gems, a magic book, and things like that. And this is what I'm saying. If you're known, let's say, for example, as a wizard clipper store, for example, and then you're having all these different bundles of potions, spell book, or all kinds of things going on, then this is what I'm trying to say. This is where the Etsy algorithm kind of understands you, because you've really niched down. And this is what I'm trying to say. Stores that actually are focused on sub-niching are the ones that get seen better and also are able to rank and get seen in terms of the pages and get and can go up the rankings quite easily, because especially when you see like a number like this, 2,661 results, if you're doing a potion bundle clipper, then you're obviously if you're gonna start selling, you're gonna be quite easily, right? Because the results are quite low. Look, here's an example of watercolor fantasy books, which are like magic books or spell books. You can see these are really beautiful watercolor style designs. 20 plus in a basket. It's only, how many is this? Wait, how many does it have? How many PNGs? Making $303 per month, right? 303. Just a bundle of, I don't know how many it's got though. How many is there? Doesn't say, does it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it's got scrolls and it's got books. So it's not that many anyway. Not that many, but look at it. It's niched down and it's making money, right? Let's have a look at another one. This is like a bundle of magic stuff. So you got hats, and it gives you ideas of things that you could do as well, right? That's a combination thing. Here you got actual potions, 40 PNG potions, right? You can do this in MIDJOURNEY, like 40 PNGs, right? It shows you what they are, shows you what they look like. And this is what I'm trying to say. It's about getting into, niching down. And then you can go further. Now check this out. I'll show you something, right? So let's say you're doing potions. You might get into potion labels, right? Potion labels is also massive. Like, I mean, people don't realize how amazing this one is. So potion labels, this is like labels that can be, they're digital downloads. They can be created, right? These labels. I think they're printables. But look, if you're in the potion niche, then this is something that is still part of your niche, right? Let's just have a quick look at this one. So check it out, man. Potion labels are making $1,176 per month. This is just one listing. It's a 2-month-old listing. It's like pretty new as well, right? Good conversion, decent conversion. Now let's just look at the keywords, because this gives us more clues. That's why I love like SEO. Like, look at these keywords. You can got these label keywords is keywords 60. Potion bottle labels. Look at that. Keyword scores 50. That's pretty decent. 166 people typing on the Etsy search bar potion bottle labels, right? And then you got Halloween labels as well. You got witchcore decor potion labels, right? So this one is pretty good, making some good money. That's what I'm saying. So when you get into something, this is what I'm trying to say, a niche, you can then look even further and get into other areas, right? Now, I just want to type in potion label very quickly and just want to see what the search for this particular one. So potion label, how many results? And because that one is selling really well. Again, not too bad. Potion labels, 6,453. So then I might look into this further. Let's say if I'm in the sort of wizard niche and then I'm doing potion PNGs, I might go into labels. Why not? Because it still falls under my niche. Now I might go to product analytics and go into a little bit of analysis and see if these things can be profitable. Now I've seen one that is pretty good and pretty profitable, but then I want to just make sure that they are generally can be quite good. So this is what I'm saying. This constant research has to be done. And this is what I'm saying, guys. This is what I'm saying. This is how you actually niche down, right? You might have your overarching niche, and then you're actually creating other things. And then what I might be doing is I might be doing wizard books. So I might go back to one of those examples. I might go back and do like a bundle because I'm in the, if you like, the wizard sort of niche. If you like, I might start doing a bundle of these fantasy books, and then that listing can hopefully get me, just that one listing can hopefully get me, say, $300 because I've got that. Then I might go into gems. Then I might go into, this is what I'm saying. You can forever expand. You go into ones. And what's really nice when you're actually doing your research, you can go in and you can just check out other ones, other ideas, and see what else there is. Look at these. There's so many like ideas you can get into. Look at that, floral potions. You can get into hats, magic wizard hats. There's areas, Halloween, and then depending on the time of year, also with Q4, with Halloween, with Christmas, you can also go into slightly different angles, Halloween style, because that is when you can actually accelerate your sales. So guys, this is what I'm trying to say. Get into something, look at an area that you can get into. You might go into a sub niche, which is a wizard clipper, and then you might start going into other things, potions, books, wands, hats. There's so many areas to get into, and this is what I'm saying. But what it is Etsy algorithms start understanding what you want. They know that you're overarching, your area is the, let's say, the wizard clipper. And look, it makes a whole lot of sense because the search volume is good enough to get into. And then when you actually go even further down, you can see potion clipper is 2,661. And then I'm sure when I show you, let's say, spell books. Did I do spell book anyway, just to see what the number is? Magic one clipper is 1,051, and you can see magic book is also going to be decent. Hopefully, magic book clipper is let me see, 1,919. See, it's low again. So you're going to be able to rank in these different searches quite easily as long as you've sub-niched down sufficiently, guys. I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, because I just wanted to show you guys. Some people asked me how to do it. I just thought I'd do a little quick video. And if you did, don't forget, check out EverBee, because you're going to need that to do all of this research, SEO. Link is in my description. And guys, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.